reach out now for global sporting footballing history. Africa, your moment is nigh. This is a patched-up Moroccan team. 2, 3 and more of their biggest stars are missing now. They're down to 10 men. They're seconds away, and the ball is bouncing out and behind again. It is a Moroccan marvel. The Atlas Lions now just one more prowling step from the World Cup final itself.
God have mercy upon us.
The Arab world unites. The African continent believes.
God have mercy upon us.
I'm gonna follow
God have mercy upon us.
Action and energy. My sweetie, go come brother. Wanna move with you, but to bother. Been to your money, don't you bother.
You know what? Morocco is a bad team. Let me tell you. France, Barcelona, Ana zol France kila mafadi sabe. Etavinda na kulu mwajimbira.
God have mercy upon us.
Morocco ni sunu. Ile pela ni kulu tabani na sabe. Tarab nende na munu. Asa. France, Mbappe, Angali.
Hey, Jesus.
Anish Vinak, makakube. Asuma, dugu Barcelona, dugu Spain, dugu ini dole sabe.
I don't want peace.
Dugu Man U.
I want problems always.
Man U dah cool pelidin kula aku dah terida sabe. Dia aja. Demu nak kalim kalam deh. Ha?
That's why I fucked your bitch, you fat motherfucker. West side, bad boy killers. You know who the realest is, niggas. We bring it to you. First on.
You know what? The man really this into Akimness, they like my backbone.
God have mercy.
Hey!
Kalas duk penalty dia sabe. Duk asana na lena. You know there is a time I played for Man U. In that period there, I scored 100 goals. I was there helping Cristiano Ronaldo to score goals. So I scored 100 goals.
God have mercy upon us.
I support you, brother. I support you. And I said, Kalas duk penalty dia sabe. Duk asana na lena. I'm sick duk penalty dia.
Hey, Jesus.
All right, go.
Alah, yani zol lagi jatuh dulu beren di depan. Anak baru zol lagi jatuh beren. Agar dia bisa.
God have mercy upon us.
Hey! I don't want peace. I want problems always.
And we reach out, and they reach out now for global.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Mama!